coefficient of correlation. The values are given in the X series, that it is 10, 10, 18, 25, 28, 33, 34, 39, 42, 43. And Y series values 11, 22, 22, 19, 35, 27, 33, 40, 42, 47. Okay, and here the number of pairs you see. So 10, 11, 10, 22, 2, 18, 22, 3, 25, 19, 4, and 28, 35, 28, 35, it is 5, 33, 37, 6, 34, 33, 7, and 39, 48, 42, 49, 43, 47. The number of pairs here it is 10. So the n value n is equal to 10. So here the formula on the table I have given, and here right side of the screen you see, you write down all the X series values and Y series values as it is, whichever it is given in the problem: 10, 10, 18, 25, 28, 33, 34, 39, 42, 43. And here this series sum of the total sigma x is equal to 282. Okay, and again in the second column you take the deviation of x from the assumed mean. So you assume in the X series values 28 as a means here the assumed value. So the assumed value 28, it is deducted from the each and every observation. 10 minus 28, 10 minus 28, 18 minus 28, 25 minus 28, 28 minus 28, 33 minus 28, 34 minus 28, 39 minus 28, 42 minus 28, 43 minus 28. Use the calculator and we can get the values here, whichever it is appearing on the screen. It is minus 18, minus 18, minus 10, minus 3, 0, plus 5, plus 6, plus 11, plus 14, plus 15. Again use the calculator and you take the values as it is. Minus 18, minus 18, use the calculator here. Minus 10, minus 3, okay, and plus 0, plus 5, plus 6, plus 11, plus 11, plus 14, and plus 15. So sum of the total of all the deviations, whichever it is arrived, you take the sum of the total value. Here it is all the minus values together, it is minus 49, and all the plus values, positive values, it is 51, and the sum of the total of the deviation of the x sigma dx is equal to plus 2. And now we'll get that the y series. Now here the square value. Okay, before that you take the square value of each and every one, that it is minus 8. You see in the dx into dx is equal to dx square. 18 into 18, 324. Again 18 into minus 18 into minus 18, 324. 10 into minus 10 into minus 10, 100. Minus 3 into minus 3, 9. So here the minus into minus is equal to plus. So here plus 324, plus 324, plus 100. Minus 3 into minus 3, minus into minus, plus 3 into 3, 9. It is plus 9. So 5 into 5, 25, 6 into 6, 36, 11 into 11, 121, 14 into 14, 196, 15 into 15, 225. So sum of the total of this sigma dx square, sigma dx square is equal to 1360. Okay, so you write down as correctly. It is I wrote it as a dy square. It is not dy square, it is dx square. Okay, and the y series, you take the y series as it is. It is 11, 22, 22, again the 99, 35, and 27, 33, 40, and 42, 47. So from this series, okay, before taking the assumed mean, you add together all the values and can get the sigma y value. It is 298. Okay, so after writing these all the values, we may find the deviation of y series. So I round up that the 35. So here we are going to take as a assumed mean. This assumed mean, it is deducted from each and every observation, then only we find the deviations of the series. So here y minus a means each and every observations whichever it is given in the y series, and each and every observation it is deducted from the 35, then only we find the dy value, deviation of y value. 11 minus 35 minus 24, its square value dy square minus 24 into minus 24, 576. And 22 minus 35, its value minus 13. Use the calculator carefully. Minus 13. Minus 13 into minus 13, its square value dy square, so it is 169. Again the 22 minus 35, the dy value minus 13, and dy square value simultaneously I am showing here, explaining you, do not get any confusion. So minus 13 into minus 13, here it is plus 169, it's the square value of the dy, and here the deviation of y. So 19 minus 35, it is 16. So 16 into 16, 256. 35 minus 35, it is 0, and 0 into 0, 0, its square value. 27 minus 35, its deviation value minus 8, its square value minus 8 into minus 8, 64. 33 minus 35, its value minus 2, the deviation square value minus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4. Use the calculator carefully. And 40 minus 35 is equal to dy, deviation of y, it is equal to plus 5, and its square value 5 into 5, 25. 42 minus 35, again the deviation of y value, it is plus 7, its square value 7 into 7, 49, and 47 minus 35, its deviation value dy, again it is plus 12. 12 into 12, its square value dy square, it's become 144. Again in the final column we have to calculate the dx and dx dy, multiplication of the two deviations dx and dy. So here you take the second column, from the second column 18, and here the fifth column minus 24. So minus 18, each and every second column and fifth column you observe here in this table. Minus 18 into minus 24, 432, and similarly the next value minus 18 into minus 13, 234, and similarly minus 10 into minus 13, you observe the second column and the fifth column whichever it is given in the table. So minus 10 into minus 13, it's become the 130, minus 3 into minus 16, it is equal to 48, and 0 into 0, it is equal to 0, minus 15 into minus 8, sorry, plus 5 into minus 8 is equal to minus 40, and plus 6 into minus 2 is equal to minus 12, minus 11 into plus 5 is equal to minus 55, plus 14 into 7 is equal to 98, plus 15 into 12 is equal to 180. So the values are you see plus 1 plus 432, 234, 130, 48, 0, minus 40, minus 12, minus 55, and plus 98, plus 180. So in front of the positive value I did not show the positive sign, plus plus. If it is a negative value I shown as a the sign as a minus. Okay, so no need of showing the positive value, so leave it is as it is. So if there is no value, we can understand that it is a no sign, that it is, we understand it is a positive value. So here you see the sigma x value, it's become 182, and sigma dx value it's become plus 2, and uh, sigma dx square value it is 1360, and sigma y value, y series value it is 296. So I am taking the each and every column sum of the total values here finally. So sigma dy square is equal to, so minus 52, and sigma dy square it is 1456, and sigma dx dy it is equal to 1015, 1015. So these values you take in the, substitute in the formula. The formula we know that it is Rk is equal to Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation, Rk is equal to sigma dx dy minus sigma dx into sigma dy divided by n all divided by under root of sigma dx square minus sigma dx whole square divided by n into under root of sigma dy square minus sigma dy whole square by n. So here n is equal to number of pairs, number of observation, number of pairs, number of observation in each series, or otherwise the number of pairs in the problem it is given. So it is n is equal to 10. So write down, and here the substitutes as it is here. The here looking at the table right side of the corner, here the sigma dx dy is equal to 1015, substitute here, write down the value minus dx value, here it is in the bracket, write down plus 2 into dy value, sigma dy value it is minus 52, write down in the bracket, and divided by n, n means here the 10, all divided by under root of sigma dx square, sigma dx square value here it is 1360, and minus sigma dx whole square, its value here sigma dx value plus 2, plus 2, 2 whole square by 10 into under root of sigma dy square value, sigma dy square value 1456, so 1456 minus sigma dy whole square, sigma dy value you look at here, the sigma dy value it is minus 52, so minus 52 whole square value divided by 10. Okay, so here you simplify the values, 1015 minus plus 2 into minus 52, it's become the minus 104 divided by 10, all divided by under root of 1360 minus 2 square means 2 into 2 4 divided by 10 into under root of 1456 1456 minus, and in the bracket minus 52 square means here the minus 52 into minus 52, so it's become 2704 divided by 10, so 10 is the n value. Okay, here again simplify the value, take the values 1015 minus the bracket you see 104 is there, so 104 divided by 10 is equal to 10.4, you take it as the minus 10.4, so 1015 minus of minus 0.4, so whichever it is we are taking in the bracket we call it as of, so 1015 minus of minus 1 minus 10.4 all divided by under root of 1360 minus, so using the calculator you take the value 4 divided by 10, so 4 divided by 10 is equal to 0.4, again you take here the minus 0.4 in the next step, and under root of 1456 minus 2704 divided by 10, its value 270.4. Read on as it is, whichever calculated. And again another step, take the values 1015. So here the with the, in the bracket minus value, and outside the bracket it is minus. Minus into minus plus, so write down the plus. So minus into minus become plus. Plus 10.4 all divided by 1360 minus 0.4, it's become 1359.6. take as it is the under root. So again 1456 minus 270.4, its value 1185.6. take the root as it is. So in the next step we have to add the numerator values 1015 plus 10.4, so it's become 1025.4 all divided by, okay. So in the denominator you see under root of 1359.6 is there, into under root of 1185.6 is there. So before multiplying these two, first of all we have to calculate the each and every value square root value. It's a square root value. So the square root of the 1359.6, use the calculator, its value 116.60, and under root of 1185.6, its value, use the calculator, the value it is 108.88. so these two values you multiply in the denominator, and we can find here 1025.4 all divided by 12,695.4. so if we simplify this fraction, the numerator and denominator, we can get the r value, it is rk is equal to 0.080. so